Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time landing here on this here channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you be notified on my next upload. How y'all been? How y'all doing? Welcome back. Come on in. I'm not going to keep you long. Y'all like my t-shirt in honor of Alopecia Awareness Month, which is in September. This shirt came in handy. I ordered this like months ago, and I had to remember that I had to remember what I did with it. So here it is. What does it say? Y'all can read, right? I'm just a bad chick with a bald head, living life. That's me. Yeah, so I ain't gonna hold y'all long. So anyway, pray everything's going well in your life and with your family's life. So, of course, I'm bringing this bad color bomb unit from our friends at Outre. Yes, honey. Get into that color. You know I had some purple in it, right? Yeah. So, let me take this inside packaging out of there. I usually do this off camera, but thought I'd come on and show you what it looked like straight out the pack. There's that cap instruction right there. And that parting space. Has a comb in the back. The normal adjustable straps back there. Then in the front, it has a comb right here. Then it has a comb on this side. Check out that color blend, right? It starts off with like a lavender purple, and then it goes into like a darker purple, and then it hits down here in it's like a peach. Yeah, like a brown peach color, you know, orange, whatever. So that's the front. I guess the baby hair ain't too bad, because usually some of those units, like, that have been here before. There ain't nothing baby about it. So, of course, I don't have no scissors, right? So, because I'm like in another part of the house. I'm not even in my video room. I'm like downstairs. So here's that stock card right there. Get into her. So let me tell you about this unit. This is by Outre. I already said this is from their Color Bomb collection. And what else? HD transparent lace, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. And this is like their gemstone color collection. And I have her in this style. Did I know I had it in this style? Because I thought this thing was named something else. And I have her in the style Gemini. And I have her in the color 3CR Purple Peach Melts. Get into it. Purple Peach Melts. So she comes in a whole lot of colors down there, you know, just do a search. And that's the inside of that stock card. Get into it. All those colors. And this is the back. Okay. So I'm going to put her on my forehead and we're going to get into this, okay? I need to cut the stock card off. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I cut the stock card off and I haven't cut the lace off yet. I just wanted you to see how it looks straight out the pack. And one thing I can say is the hair is very silky. And to take away that silky shine, I was hoping that this hair was yucky. And to take away that shine, let's use some dry shampoo. I do know my dry shampoo at this time. So yeah, I should have brought it downstairs with me. So yeah. So what y'all think about this color? I mean, for real, what y'all think about this color? Cause I don't know, maybe I need to get in some better light or something, but I'm kind of iffy about the color. I don't know, it's like something throwing it off, but I I just can't put my finger on it. Maybe it's the lipstick or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna change it. Maybe, because you know I did an ombre lip, so maybe that's it. I don't know, but something is throwing it off for me. So I'm gonna cut the lace and go grab me some dry shampoo, and we'll see what we're working with. Okay, be right. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I cut the lace and I got me some better lighting. What's up with that, hey? So anyway, so the color is like growing on me. It looks better in all this bright light down there. I don't know what was going on downstairs, so even though I had lights down there as well. So I added some dry shampoo to the hair. I cut the lace and I added some tint spray to that part. And yeah, so she doesn't feel silky like she did before. I don't know if it's still picking up looking silky, but we all know that it's not no yucky hair, so it is what it is. It's synthetic. I have experienced a little bit of shedding, just very minimum, nothing major. It is a synthetic, and it is multiple colors going on here, so that's to be expected. So anyway, thank y'all for y'all continued support and everything, and let's get into all the particulars of this unit. So like I showed you in the cap construction, it has two combs in the front, the comb in the back, and the normal adjustable straps. And I wouldn't say that this is like big head friendly, but if you like more than like because my head size is like 21, if you like 22, 23, something like that, it may be some issues for you because it's pretty tight. Maybe you can just take off, unloosen the straps in the back, and that'll help you, give you some relief. So yeah, I'm liking the color combo. You know, downstairs when I was down there, it was like, what is up with this color? But the color looks nice. I looked at it when I first came back upstairs in the bathroom. I was like, okay, it looks nice. It don't look that bad. So it's cute. It's cute. So when I was downstairs, it was like I was picking up a color. I knew this was like a light purple, and then I didn't even see this pink when I was downstairs. So I don't know what's up with that lighting. So anyway, so it's cute. I like it. Yeah. It wasn't the lipstick or anything. So she's cute. So did I show y'all these colors on the back? I was gonna get the what color was that? I forgot what color I was looking at, and then I decided to just go with this one because it had purple in it. So I forgot which one it was. So she cute though. Let me show you how she looks in the back. That's how she is in the back. And there's not really so much I can say about this unit. It's not really, it's just, I would consider this like a wavy, like a body wave unit. Because the crimps are, you know, very light. They're not tight or anything like that, not overwhelming or anything. Because I know some people don't like crimps and things like that. I love my crimp style because I used to rock it back in the day. So I'm all right with it. So but this is not really a crimp style. You can like get away. This is like, you know, very on the light side. Very, very light. So there she go. What side is this? This is the left side. I'll give you a 360 view. This is the left. And this is the right. And I just showed you the back. So, yeah. And that baby hair is very minimum. You can like do it like that. Is that the lace or is that? Yeah, that is the lace. So anyway, so yeah, so she cute. I would recommend her if you into color. If you're not into color, this unit is not your cup of tea, because I believe all the look at that color right there. Yeah, because they don't have any. Let me see. Well, the colors, all the colors on the back are the color bomb colors that they have, but it do come in natural colors. It comes in 1B, and that's the naturals it's gonna get, and then it goes into 613, and then it gets into those funky colors. So yeah, so there she go. Her name is Gemini. Gemini. Yeah. I understand the name. I understand the name. So let me know what y'all think of her down in the comments. Would y'all cop her? Would you wear her? Or you just gonna stick with that natural color? You just not into the crimps? I already know one person that's gonna tell me it's cute, but I don't like those crimps. I already know who's gonna do that. So anyway, there you go. There she go. Yeah, who was that? Trelawney. My girl Trelawney like these bomb colors, right? So I'm gonna have to send her this video and let her see this color, how it look on our melon. I always tell y'all, it be popping. Don't be scared of no color. So anyway, I ain't gonna hold y'all here long. I may hold y'all here for 6 minutes already. That's longer than I said I was gonna go. I was trying to get them down to like 3-4 minutes, but anyway, there you go. I'm getting hot. So thank y'all for y'all continued support. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified. And do like and leave me a comment. Thank y'all. I appreciate your continued support, and I'll see you on my next upload. Smudges. See you soon. And I know He watches over